Shut up.
Shut up. There.
Hi, I'm Francis Beckler. I live in here in St. Clair County, and this is the Tribal Regalia store, ain't it? Well, you see, when I was on ZZ Highway, I hit one of them hawk things, you know, one of them red taily ones. I was wanting to know. I know you gotta use those claws and everything, and the feathers and whatever. And I was wondering to know if you could use that. Oh, really? Well, I see all you boys wearing them all the time. Really? Hey, those things look like the real thing, you know? You know, how... Do you think you could do something special for me, though? You think you could do something special for me? Like, you think you could mount this eagle for me? Really? No. Because I always wanted to get like one of them eagles, but like, you know, as a joke or something, put like a pair of antlers on him. Let me cut your deal here. I'll make a mean bowl of hawk soup. I think I could whip a batch up for you if you'd like to mount that thing for me and like put the little antlers on them. Are you sure, sir? What law is that prevents you from mounting this hawk and putting the little antlers on them?
Goddamn government taking me all my jobs.
Well, I don't know. I just had this. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this hawk now because I got him in the back of my pickup truck in a little Walmart sack. I mean, when I hit the damn thing, it just went. And it rolled a little bit on the side of the road, got a little dirty, but I think it's still usable. All right. Well, if you're sure that you can't use it, then I guess I just kind of wasted my time here. Yeah. Thank you for your time. You have a good day.